So the fire alarm will be designed specifically for that particular classification. But if it's, let's say, a medical office where they have backup generators, then that fire alarm system will need to have a little bit more protection for that business. So depending on the classification, depend on how the engineer will design the fire alarm system. After we design a fire alarm system, we have to then fill out a TM1 application. This application is submitted to the fire department along with the fire alarm design, which is actual floor plans of where we're going to put each and every device, fire alarm riser diagram, giving them a one-line diagram of what's actually going in the building and what floors. The final thing, along with supplying the TM1 and a riser diagram, is an ACP